Welcome to Jackal DIY and Tech. In today's video, I have a question. What's the best way to level a floor? I don't know, but if you think this is level, it actually is not. It is probably something like this. Now this is a project that I'm currently working on, and it is quite big, so I want to know what an effective way to level all of this floor is. Now I'll be doing it in section. What you see now, this will be one section, this will be a second section, and this down here will be a third section. Why will I be doing it in sections? Well, because the incline is so bad. So I have the plumbing already done, and I've built this frame, so I just have to put some wood over it. This will be the bathroom. This is a project in and of itself. Another section, and this is where I have started but wanted some input. So if I take the level, this is now level, and you can see that I do have some incline. As you can see, the incline is pretty big, so ideally I would have used a bigger piece of wood, but this is the one that I bought. Now in every room we have the plumbing, so I have to go over the cables or the pipes, and just in this room, from that corner down to this one, the incline is, believe it or not, well, this is 10 centimeters. So if I did not have pipes, just in this room alone, the incline would be 8 centimeters from that point. Now how I've done this first section is by using two pieces of this wood. I think it's 3 by 5 centimeters stuck together, so I get 10 centimeter height. I've basically made myself a podium, so I put the wood on top of those blocks, which I leveled. I then take this, I don't know what this is called in English, but basically I go over the line like this and mark the piece of wood, and that should give me the line that I should cut, and once cut, the piece of wood would fit on top of this crooked floor, which when it was made was level, but now it's not, because the house is sagging a little bit. Now once that is done, what I wanted to do was use something like this, low expansion foam adhesion, so I don't use any screws on the bottom between the wood and the floor. But now as you can see, I also have some gap between the wooden plank and the wooden panel, which is not ideal. So I'm guessing I could also use the low expansion foam adhesion before I put the panel on, and the panel will not be in this direction, it will be in the opposite direction. This was just a test fit to see if it holds and how it lines up. It does line up, but that hole was a problem, especially if you consider that this might be along the whole line, but if the self-expansion foam can fix the issue, that would be nice. And what I plan on doing is actually screwing the wooden panel into the studs. So that should help with how level this will be, but the problem is, if it's not level at the beginning, then I can't actually screw it all the way in. So the foam actually has some room to expand. Is that the best solution? No idea. That's where you come in. Do you have any other idea how I could do this effectively with the materials that I have on hand, which are these planks and boards? So I do have a lot of the OSB panels. As you can see, I have two stacks, one here and one in another room, and I also have loads of boards, as you can see. So as you have seen, ideally this would be the type of plank that I would use, not this one, because it's not high enough, so I have to combine two of them. And also, as you can see, not all of them are straight, so that is also a possible problem that I will have to deal with.